Hello, today we will guide you through how to post items on Vinted. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Vinted website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main selling and buying platform for clothes, shoes, and accessories. Starting from the homepage is helpful because it gives you direct access to the tools you need to create a new listing. When you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Sell Now. This will take you to the listing page where you can begin creating your item post. If you don't see it right away, just scan the upper part of the page carefully, since that's where Vinted places the main selling option. Next, upload photos of the item you want to sell. Choose clear, well-lit images that show the item from different angles. Good photos help buyers understand exactly what you're offering and can make your listing more attractive. Try to include images that accurately represent the condition, color, and style of the item so there's less chance of confusion later. After uploading your photos, move to the About Your Item section. This is where you describe what you're selling. Be clear and specific so potential buyers can quickly understand the item. A good description helps set expectations and gives shoppers more confidence when deciding whether to purchase. Keep your wording simple and informative, especially if the item has any features worth noting. Once that section is complete, enter or select the item details. Depending on the listing form, this may include things like category, size, brand, condition, color, or other product-related information. Filling out these details accurately is important because it helps your item appear in the right searches and makes it easier for buyers to find. If there are drop-down menus, select the option that best matches your item rather than guessing. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review everything you've entered. Check that your photos uploaded properly, your description makes sense, and the item details are correct. Even a short review can help you catch small mistakes and improve the quality of your listing. Once everything is done, click Upload. This will submit your item listing to Vinted so it can be posted on the platform. After that, your item should be live or ready for the next stage in the posting process, depending on the site's prompts. That's it. You've now completed the process of posting an item on Vinted.